I was doing a live event in Texas with a group of badass real estate professionals, and I thought we were making headway, which we were, but then one person was like, guys, everything Matt's saying, I have a piece of software where you can record your voice and it will auto dial 800 people with all this. I realize I'm old, guys, but here's what I'm going to tell you, okay? Would this work in dating? Probably not. Like, it's like when, I remember when the first cubic zirconian diamonds came out, and at a store, it was like 60 Minutes or something, they went out on the street, and it's like, the chicks could just smell that the diamond wasn't real. And what I mean by this is, you're not trying to make $1 billion, okay? Maybe someday, Sky, but today you're not trying to make $1 billion. I don't think your head needs to be at, how do I offload this into like bulk? Because when we start going down that road, it just loses all of the romance and it loses all of the human connection. All I'm telling you is whatever your income goal is, I know for a fact you can hit it by calling Chris and doing the damn work and not taking any shortcuts and not having to offload anything for 10 bucks and send it to me. You can make, if I can make the money I'm making without any of those tools, you can make that money. So I'm not saying don't use that. But what I am saying is I don't think the juice is worth the squeeze. And I think there's a lot of companies, a lot of podcasts, a lot of YouTubes, a lot of people that are here today, gone tomorrow, that are like, with this tool, you don't even have to do anything. Well, then they don't need you, right? Like you're here to make a human connection with these people and try it, build it out manually first before you ever automate, right? Build it out manually and like the guy or hate the guy, I don't care, okay? He's done some cool shit. I've been reading the Elon Musk book. That was one of his mistakes that he made, and he came up with this whole thing of reverse automation. And I realized he's a weirdo. I guess he had a can of orange spray paint, and he ran around the Tesla factory. He's like, X, and like killing all these robots and stuff because he's like, I wasn't thinking properly. I start automating, and it's like, I didn't realize a lot of these activities, a human could just do it faster. Like we don't really need that. And it's like, make sure you can do it manually first before you ever automate. And I don't think you're close to at that point to want to try and offload it.
What can you do to prove to people that Easton University can help them double their income in 90 days?
I'll prove it right now. Closing Masterclass, I'll buy it for you, $300, link in my bio. I will show you how to close. This will double your closing percentage, not even 90 days, it will double it within 30 days. Now, here's the thing, is your income gonna double? Probably not, because you still need to prospect, you still need to put those deals in your pipeline. But if you click the link in my bio, you will learn how to close right here, right now, and you're gonna close those deals that are already in your pipeline.